Hey everyone, so I got my 67 F100 here in the shop today. It's my spare truck, my parts truck. So what I've decided to do is I'm going to take the frame out of it, or take everything off of the frame, and I'm going to use this frame to do my Crown Vic swap on. Should be relatively simple. The engine is all out of here already, so I mean we're a big part of the way there already. So I'm just going to keep on. I'm going to start by taking all the fenders off. I take the box off and the cab, obviously. So yeah, let's get into this. I'm just in the process of removing this fender right now, and then when I'm done that, I'll move on to the next one. Alright, so I got all of that stuff off the front. I still need to take the cab and the box off, obviously. I want to get right down to the frame, but this will be good for today. Got right back down to this cross member here. So this is obviously the part that I'm going to be switching out for that Crown Vic cross member. So I got to take all that stuff out. Got a nice 4-speed transmission in there yet. I'm going to take that out and see what I can do with that. Yeah, got to remove some of that stuff yet, but that's a good start for today, I would say. Frame looks pretty good. It's not even too corroded. Pretty impressive for a 67. So, anyways, that's it for today. I will post more as I get it done. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys.